Hi there! Welcome to the next part of our course, where we'll dive into the search advantages. Let's start with basic search. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to type in keywords, business names, or addresses to find exactly what you're looking for. For instance, you can search for Museum of Modern Art in New York. Just type the full name and select the New York location from the suggestions. You can also enter an abbreviation like MoMA, or a specific address, such as West 53rd St. New York. Google Maps will always provide multiple locations that match your search. It will also automatically suggest the most popular locations among users. So, make sure to choose the option that best fits your needs from the list. If you don't have a name or address, you can enter coordinates. While this feature might seem unnecessary for daily use, it can be very useful when you receive someone's geotag without an address. This search feature is straightforward. Now let's dive a bit deeper. You can also search for not just a specific location, but any place within a certain category. For this, use the quick access buttons for categories provided by Google Maps. By default, you'll see a list of top categories displayed below the search bar. If you swipe to the end, you'll find a More button that opens all available categories. For example, if we're looking for car dealers in New York, we select the appropriate category, and all related locations appear on the map. Google Maps also allows you to search for all locations within a category in your city, or find the nearest one. To do this, zoom in on your location on the map, and click the Search This Area button that appears at the top of the screen. You can even perform this type of search in another city or country by navigating to the needed area and clicking the same Search This Area button. Browse through the locations and select the one that fits your needs best. We'll cover information about businesses in upcoming lessons. Another useful search feature is finding categories not listed in the default options. For example, if you need a laundromat but don't see it listed, simply type laundry into the search bar to get relevant results. Here we are. The most interesting search feature is keyword search, which lets you find what you're craving, even if you don't know the exact name of the place. Have you ever craved ice cream or Thai food? Google Maps can help you find them with just one click. For instance, type Thai food into the search bar, and voila! You get not just all the restaurants, but those serving the specific type of cuisine you want. This also applies to specific food items, beauty services, or sports, like yoga or belly dancing. These search features are essential for any urbanite or traveler, saving time and enhancing efficiency. But that's not all Google Maps has to offer. If you want to explore new places or you are an explorer by heart, use the Explore feature. This allows you to see recommendations from other users in your area. Tap the Explore button at the bottom of the screen to view a feed of recommendations. Scroll down to see more user posts. You can also contribute by tapping Add Post at the bottom right of the screen. Note that these posts are unfiltered and depend on your location. These are the key search features Google Maps provides. Take a moment to pause the video and try these search functions yourself. In the next lesson, we'll discuss the business information you can access through the app.